Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2022 Corvette C8 3LT convertible. This one is presented in Arctic white with the Morello red interior. Let's start at the rear here. It's got the rear trunk open. You can see how nice and tidy it is here. Here's your trunk itself. We do have the original floor mats that have never been used, and they're in that red color because they chose to put the upgraded rubber mats. You can see how deep it is in here. You can easily fit a golf bag in here or other luggage. We do have the cargo net here for the car as well. It's never been used. Soft close trunk here. Coming up here, you can see the convertible top is down. It is a hard top, and you can see it's got the white vent package. We have the carbon flash badge package, so the stingray there. You can see how beautiful, shiny the paint is here. And coming out here, we have the high wing on this car. That's a factory option, and they have it painted in white with the carbon flash brackets. Down below we have, again, the white vents, and then we have the NPP performance exhaust. So that adds an extra 5 horsepower, which boosts it up to 495 horsepower. And it is a 6.2 liter V8 paired to the 8-speed automatic dual clutch transmission. Let's move to the rear wheels here. We do have the carbon flash 5 open spoke wheels with the machine outer edge. They are Michelin tires all the way around. And for tire size, we have a 305 30 ZR20 in the rear. And we have the black brake calipers there. Coming to the front, you can see we have a staggered wheel in the front, so a slightly smaller tire size, a 245 35 ZR19, and again those black brake calipers there. Okay, let's move to the interior. So again, Morello red, just a beautiful color. It looks really rich and luxurious to me. You don't see it on many cars. You can see it has the beautiful stitching here, the Bose Performance sound system. We got memory seats, power windows, power door locks, electronic door release, and it has Alcantara in as well. So very beautiful. And all of this here is real leather that comes with the 3LT package. Let's take a look at the dash. Again, that is real leather as well. So it's got that red dash here, the nice stitching. Open the glove box. It does have the owner's manuals in this. Being a 3LT, you also have the suede A-pillars and the visors as well. Take a look at the door jambs. They're nice and clean here, nice and tidy. The Stingray's kick plate looks great. Nice and clean throughout here. And then down here we have the upgraded Corvette rubber floor mats. And again, the carpeted ones are in the trunk if you prefer those. We have the 8-way power seats, power bolster and power lumbar. And then let's scan the condition of the seat here so you can see how beautiful it is. These are the GT2 seats, so the upgraded seats. You can see it's got the carbon flash shell here with the exposed there, the Corvette embossed logo in the headrest, and we got the nice seat belt holders here, black seat belts. Being a 3LT, this is the upgraded Napa leather, so nicer, premium, softer leather. And check out that profile, that high wing. Again, it's all white with the carbon flash brackets there. Coming on here, you can see it's the convertible here, so your engine is situated right there. And then down here, we have the body color side fins there, and we have carbon flash full skirts here with the triangles here. You can see them coming all the way down here. We got body colored side mirrors, and let's just zoom in here. You can see the seat colors. Very nice. We got the LED headlights, and then down here we have the carbon flash front spoiler as well with the nice triangles on the side, help deflection here. Body color vents up front, and I'm just gonna feel down here. That feels good, feels like new. We got the front cameras down there. Front trunk is open, so that's nice and tidy there. Inside here, nice and tidy. You can definitely fit a suitcase in here or other luggage, whatever you have. And you get 2 trunks, which is rare for a convertible. 12-volt socket here, so that's where you plug your trickle charger. And then over here we got the windshield wiper fluid there. Let's close the hood or the front trunk. You can see how beautiful the paint is here. Shines really well. And then coming to the front wheel, you can see the condition looks wonderful. And finally the rear wheel here. It also has the black lug nuts as well, so that's another dealer upgrade. Coming to the door panel here, you can see it's got that beautiful leather panel, the Bose sound system, memory seats for the driver. We got power mirrors, power folding mirrors, so I'll show you that. And back out again. It also has blind spot monitoring, so you can see it has the symbol there. That'll light up if something that's in your blind spot. Power windows, and then your power hardtop convertible, and the rear window there. Down below we have power locks, electronic door release, and down here front and rear trunk release. Let's take a look at the front dash here. You can see how beautiful it is. It's got the heads-up display slot there. Looks great. Let's check out the door jambs. Nice and clean. Kick plate looks pretty good. Nice and clean throughout here. Take down here, look at the pedals, nice and clean. There's your carpeted or rubber floor mats, Corvette. Here's your 8-way power seats, power bolster and lumbar. Scan the GT2 seats here. See, they look great. Carbon fiber looks awesome when it sticks out there. And then again, that logo in the headrest. Just beside the seats here, we got a speaker grill, and then we got the wireless charging station for your cell phones. We also have the suede B pillars here, so that's nice. Let's climb in the car now. Close the door here. So over here we got the vents. We got heads-up display slots here. We got power tilt and telescopic wheel. Down here we have your electronic parking brake, and then your dash dimming lights here. Coming to the steering wheel, we got your headlight controls here, your paddle shifter here. That's your downshift. We have your Z button, takes you to your performance mode, your cruise control settings here, and stereo on both sides here. Heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, and then your arrow keys for your digital dash. Here's your upshift for your paddle shifter, and then your windshield wipers over here. Let's start the car. It's a push button start. And we'll zoom out of the wheel here. So you can see it's a beautiful leather wheel and a nice bump out here, a nice red centerpiece here. And then we have the flat top and the flat bottom with the red stitching all the way around. Nice leather piece up front with a Corvette logo in the center. And then as we zoom in here, you can see your digital dash here. So on this car, we have 1,821 kilometers. Very, very low kilometer car. Zooming up here, we have your universal garage door opener. We have your rear camera mirror. When the top is down, you cannot use it, but when it's up, you can use that, or if you want to use it manually like that, you can as well. Coming down here, you have your touch screen. Well, let's go home here. So you can see all your icons here. We'll start at the first page here. So nav has factory nav. Here's your factory nav here. Let's go back home here. So we got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, performance data recorder. Here's your climate control, and we got front camera here. So there's your front of your car. You can see how close you are to curbs and other objects. Just zooming down here, you can see all your automatic transmission controls. If you put it in M mode, that'll allow you to use your paddle shifters. Let's put it in reverse, so you can see that it has reverse camera there. Up here we got traction control, and it has active lift. So when you press that button, the front of the car lifts up. So if you're approaching a curb or a speed bump or something of that sort, you can lift the car up so you have a little more clearance. It also has memory, so if you use it many times at a certain location, it'll do it automatically. Then we got your front cameras here. We have your mode selector here. So if I look into the dash here, if I turn the dial, you see it's in sport, track, tour, my mode. You can set it up how you want, and weather. So let's open it to track because it sounds better that way. If you look down here, it's all nice Alcantara here in that red. Here we have your dual cup holders. All along here we have your dual zone climate control, and we got heated and ventilated seats as well, so very cool. Here we got the leather console cover, so that's real leather. Let's open that up. Here's my hand so you can see the depth. Back here we got USB and auxiliary slots, and again that wireless charging station there. Let's open up the door here. I'll turn on the headlights and let's give it a couple revs for you guys. There we go. I love the sound of that exhaust. It's very unique on a C8, especially with the NPP. All right, let's put the convertible top up. I'm just going to hold the button and all the work is going to do itself. As you can see, the work of art coming in and out. There we go. And the windows go up. Let's close that now. It does have window tint there, as you can see. Now let's come to the front of the car. You can see the headlights on. Great looking car. Paint looks wonderful. It's a low kilometer car. It's got the sportiness to it with the ground effects and the high wing. Great, good color combination. LED tail lights, and then here's your NPP exhaust and idle there. Okay, so here we have it. This is a 2022 Corvette Convertible 3LT, Arctic White with Morello red interior. This is here available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.